Look at this, my friend. A fully working Pomodoro timer. It has a nice design. It has a start, pause, and a reset button. And I built this in 8 minutes. Not 8 hours, not 8 days, just 8 minutes. And I didn't write a single line of code by hand. So here is exactly how I did it. And by the end of this video, you will also be able to write your first app from scratch using vibe coding. No coding background required. So first of all, what is vibe coding? Here is the simplest way I can explain it. The old way of building software look like this. You have to learn the syntax, write the code, hit a bug, then you Google that bug, fix that bug, hit another bug, and just repeat that loop again and again for days until something worked. But in the other hand, vibe coding flip that completely. You describe your idea in a plain English to the AI, in this case Claude, then AI write the code and you run that code, and that's it. Think of it as a stack. You are at the top. You speak the human language in a plain English language. Then Claude is in the middle. It translates your idea into the coding. And at the bottom, we have browser or application that run that results. Your job is no longer to write the code. Your job is to describe the idea clearly. That's it. That's the whole shift. I know what you are thinking. Isn't it just using ChatGPT to write some code? No, it's bigger than that. Way bigger. Think about what internet did. It didn't just make the thing faster, it completely removed the gatekeepers. You didn't need a publisher to share your writing, a record label to release a music, a TV network to broadcast a video. And vibe coding does the same thing to the software. You no longer need a year of experience on computer science to build a real world product. So any person with a good idea and a browser can now ship software or deploy the software. That's not a small deal, that's a revolution. And the best tool for this right now, in my opinion, is Claude. Let me show you why. So we're on a Claude AI. Super simple. There is nothing intimidating here. It's just a chat box. You can think of it as your new development environment. A few things to know before we build. First thing, Claude read your prompt like a senior developer reading a specs. The more context you give, the better the output. Second thing, you can have a back and forth so that you can get the desired result. That means we are not getting the final result in our first attempt. We may have to revise our prompt so that we get the optimal result what we want. The third thing is Claude can write HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, React, you name it. Today we are keeping it simple, pure HTML in a single file, no framework, no install, just open it in your browser. We just use VS Code, Claude AI and the browser. Alright, let's build something. Here is the prompt I'm going to type. Watch how I phrase it. This matter. Build me a Pomodoro timer is a simple HTML file and it should have a 25 minute countdown timer. Start and pause button, a reset button, a sound alert when the timer hits 0 and a clean modern design with a dark background. No framework, no external libraries, and everything in one file. Then hit enter. Notice what I did here. I told it what to build, the specific feature I want, the constant one file, no library. The last part is key. The fewer dependency you have, the easier it is to open one file and run it. Here you can see Claude build Pomodoro timer as we describe it. It has a start button, pause. We can also reset the timer, and if you want how the code looks, you can click here and see all the coding. Then you can copy this code from here and you can paste it here, then save it, then open the folder where this file is located, reveal in file explorer. Then when I click here, you can see it's working. You can start this Pomodoro timer, reset it. Now let's do some modification. Let's say instead of focus session, I want to write coding session or coding focus session. So how can do that? For that, you have to come in the chat box and write. So first I'm gonna change the to the view mode. Instead of focus session, I want coding session. Then hit enter. Here you can see it changes from focus session to coding session. Let's copy this and paste it here, then save this, and when I refresh here, it changes to coding session. That's it. We find a bug, like we want to change from focus to coding, and we fix this using a plain text, and it tells me what is exactly changed. It shows the label now reads coding session instead of focus session. So this is a loop. We describe, then generate, then test, make some tweak, and repeat this process over and over until we get the final result. So here we are not debugging the syntax. We are just talking in a plain English to the AI. Okay, we have a working application. Now let's put it on the internet for free in just about a minute. You can also put this on a hosting site, but for now I'm going to use the Claude feature. Here it says publish artifact when we click here and click publish and copy the link, and when I copy this, we can open this what we build in the cloud, and it also work. So here from 0 to deployed, we use no coding editor setup, no terminal, no npm, no coding, no config file, just Claude and a browser and a VS Code also. So here is the last thing I want to leave you with, and this is the part that changes everything. When you vibe code, you are not a developer, you are a product manager. You are the PM and Claude is your entire dev team. Your job is to have a clear idea, describe it well, review what Claude gives you, then say deploy it or change this, then say deploy it or change it. That's it. That's the whole job description. The skill that matters now aren't syntax and memorization. They are good communication, clear thinking, good taste. Knowing what you want and being able to describe it, those are the human skills, and you already have them. The gate is gone. The question is no longer can I code? The question is what do I want to build? So are you building an application? If you want the exact prompt what I used today, it's in the description. And if you build something, share it in the comment section. I genuinely want to see it. See you in the next video.